on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today's a nice day out. Thought I'd take the time to go do some things, chill with the homies, see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna tag you guys along and we'll see what we get into today. I don't know if I mentioned, but now I have a car cover because my spoiler was stolen like 2 times, tire slashed once. There, it keeps it clean. Just because we haven't done it in a while. I want that boost up. Let's see what kind of stuff we get into today. There we go. Alright guys, let's see what the day has for us. Yeah, like I said guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't know what we have in store today, but I'm going to be going to my friend's house. We're going to be taking his lips to go get painted. I believe his side skirts to go get painted, and then going to be going to get a new phone. And then probably get some rolling shots and videos. But yeah, hopefully find a pretty exciting day. I don't know, I just thought I'd bring in the camera. Oh, also wanted to mention, I'm going to be talking about it in the video in a little bit. But it's been a while, but I released some new merchandise. So I'll be talking about that real soon in the video. But yeah, let's see what we got ahead. My boy. My boy. You know, just some nice ass Kona wheels. Definitely need some more low though. Bro, are you a streamer? Are you a streamer? That's my camera. What the? Oh, and you got a casting couch? You're a streamer. It pulls out too, Doug. You're a streamer. I don't know what you're talking about. It pulls out too. You gotta put those pillows back. Watch, homie. We're not done yet. It's a fucking like full-on bed. This shit's hard as fuck though.
It hasn't been broken in yet. We've only had it for like a week.
Oh yeah, because you're virgin on.
Fuck you.
No! Imagine getting fucking creases on your kicks. No! That's just a good lip. I think we should call these wheels Kylie Jenner. No, those are some nice lips.
You gotta check the rear. The rear's got bigger lips, huh? Those are the Kylie Jenner lips. This is before surgery?
Oh yeah, this is Kylie Jenner lip.
This is before surgery? That's after surgery.
But look at that gap, bro. She might be like a London model or something.
What?
Like a London model? You know how they have the gap in their teeth? But she has good lips. That's it. That's your car.
The Maybelline fit?
Mm-hmm.
This fits back here.
What the fuck is that? Hey bro, we can't wrap that.
That's why I'm getting it painted.
We can't wrap that.
What the fuck?
Kind of sucks. It doesn't open by itself?
It does, but not the passenger.
Oh, wouldn't know. Don't have passenger.
That's why I'm getting it painted, so that way it can get wrapped.
Bro, those are Travis Scott's?
Nah, I don't wish actually. Can I fit the skirts in there? I wonder if I can.
It's only like 3 feet tall.
These are fucking huge, dude.
Well, yours doesn't have the hole cut out that lets you go slip it through?
Oh, it does.
It does? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, just do that, idiot.
Open it from the inside.
Yeah, I can open it right here.
No, you can't.
You can't?
You have to push it to the inside.
It would be a shame if I smacked this door on there. You good?
Yeah.
You know what's funny? People get sedans for more space, But look how hard that struggle was.
I get sedans for seating.
And space. It's technically space.
I mean, yeah, but I don't get it for storage.
I could fit that shit in my car. Mine's a coupe.
Storage.
Mine's a coupe. I guess I'm going with you. Cause you said that dip was harsh. You said the dip was harsh. Follow my boy. He streams too. Just a philosophy right here. Oh! This is still slower than mine.
Fuck you. We're the exact same.
No, we're not.
Oh, you have your JV4. I'm sorry. I'm boosted too. Let's see. The one missing.
Oh damn, that shit's fucking hard.
It's all fucked up. Never mind.
Taco? Taco?
Where'd you get that?
Taco? Tacado?
Tacado? Is this fucking
Taco
Digimon?
avocado? Bro, you blood?
Blood.
Mm. Never gets old.
Needs air.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
It's 'cause it's cold.
Needs air suspension.
Oh, that means air in the tires.
Oh. Do you wear that hat with the fucking thing still in it?
No, they take pictures of it. What? Oh, what is that? What is that?
What that?
What is that?
Gang.
What is that? Is that
It's that new iPhone 12 Pro?
the new Samsung 12 5G Pro Max Plus?
Pro Max
S?
Plus. Mini.
What part?
Somewhere down here. Look at this man's flexing on us. Look at that. Look at that lip. Ooh. Ooh. Those wheels are fire too. Are they?
Can't hold it.
Hello? Hello, camera.
What's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the car and where it's been. I know I haven't posted in a while, but we did a roof wrap. We're on our third spoiler now. This one's staying, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Praying to all the carbon gods. And we got some mirror caps. Just want to show you guys real quickly. So we got the carbon mirror caps.
So there it is.
You guys can see these are sick. These are just over the actual, they're not replacements. So
Just get replacements.
nah, these ones are fine. And we got a Galaxy roof wrap that we did in my shop, Plug, Headline Auto Design. Yeah, just a good spoiler.
Just his third fucking
Just
one.
the third one. No biggie.
Alright.
And we got some merch. Some merch came.
Merch?
Yeah,
You got
some merch.
Wait, am I wearing the merch?
You all wear the merch.
I am wearing the fucking merch. Midnight Raiders hats and shirts.
I don't have mine on because you know I got the braids on. Got the braids.
That Midnight Raider.
Yeah, guys.
Look at that.
We got some hats and some shirts. Got the shirt in my back. Yep. Just follow me on Instagram, guys. We are selling these. So we got our first tees. These are the Manifest tees.
Oh yeah.
Damn, we got the Midnight Raiders in the back. Oh yeah. Just a good shirt.
Hell yeah. What are you trying to record?
Oh yeah,
man?
oh yeah, oh yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
Perfect. Even got the little star. Just like right there. Just like right there. We're just getting a bunch of new stuff.
Dropping a shit ton of money today too.
Yep.
Dropped off my lip and fucking
No
side
iPhone
skirt.
too? No iPhone? No iPhone gang? Yeah. Today was random, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're just kicking it, me and Michael. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.